We're going crazy here. You should be able to start seeing stars, and we can actually see 4 planets. This time you should see Jupiter, Mercury, Mars, and Venus all in this night sky during the day. So it's just an amazing, amazing experience.
Oh, wow.
That scream is because we are seeing it right now.
Oh, whoa. That is remarkable.
It is different in different parts of the country, but here in Beatrice, we are able to view the sun without any glasses on because we are in totality. We are fully in the moon's shadow here in Beatrice, Nebraska. It is incredible. There is that sliver around it.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
The light streaming around it is the corona. You are seeing the sun's atmosphere in a way we are never able to see except during a total eclipse.
And the cloud cover really just providing an even more kind of, just amazing view to it. A beautiful view.
It makes it that much more special. We are
It
all
really,
waited,
truly does.
with bated breath, just waiting for the clouds to pass and get that glimmer,
Wow.
that view. Wow. It is significantly cooler out here.
You can see the planets. You can see Venus. in the
Venus, we can
distance.
see now through the clouds.
Yep. And there's 4 planets that you would be able to see. Again, we still have a lot of cloud cover around, so that certainly will have a bigger impact on being able to view all the planets visible.
We have enough people here that we're not necessarily hearing all the sounds of nature. We were just told glasses on.
Whoa.
Glasses back on because totality is now done here at the National Monument. But people are still checking it out because it is still absolutely amazing to see. Wow. They talk about that diamond ring effect where there's just a little sliver still left. You see it on the front end, but it's like that now where it's just this one little piece that's glowing. Again, that diamond ring is before the eclipse, but right now this is just that sliver as you're seeing it pass through. It is truly remarkable. Here comes the sun, someone started saying. I guess that's one of the songs here. Wow, and the sun is coming out, and again, it's incredible. It just went to darkness. It just went to nighttime, and here we are witnessing like a sunrise from high in the sky. It's incredible when you take the glasses off and you look around and you're seeing it's light now after it was just dark, it was just cool.
I've never experienced anything like that my whole life.
It was faster than I thought it would be. Yeah, but it was definitely neat. I mean, I know it was 2 minutes 40 seconds, but they seemed to go by pretty quick.
That was amazing. It was just absolutely awesome. I mean, beyond any expectations. It was just surreal to kind of see everything go dark and everything get calm and quiet and nature just kind of all come together. It was amazing.